Hi everyone. Today I preventively changed this sealing. I don't know exact English term for it. It is the same the dimension as on this. So this looks a little bit strange. Maybe A2 have different, but on Lupo this fits here. So if you buy this for cheapest one for €3 and strip it down, it fits perfectly here. It is absolutely necessary when it is cracked to remove everything and wash with the petrol a few times and use the compressed air to take mess and remains of the old lubrication out. And then here must be the gray molybdenum disulfide grease for high pressures. This is first one, and today I also changed sealing here and the same on the side of the wheel and the wheel bearing. In the past I replaced these coil springs on the final turn. As you can see, I used thick heat shrink, 1 or 2 millimeter thick, with the glue inside to prevent it to make rust here, and also the same up here. Also upper bearing is replaced. So this shock absorber have 120,000 kilometers, functions perfectly, and maybe it's all for today. Keep driving your Lupos, Audis, 3 liters. Hope it will be helpful for you, and see you next time.